Hey guys, RTT back here for another video, guys. Today we have a Switch, and the reason why we have a Switch is because we have, of course, Android on this Switch. And let's see if I can actually get it to focus and like the light. I think that's the best we're gonna get for right now. I might have to actually turn down the brightness, but I did get my favorite launcher. If you guys have been following the channel any length of time, you already know my favorite launcher I have, and that is, of course, Launcher 10. And we got Launcher 10 on the Nintendo Switch, which I'll be honest with you, you guys already know. You guys follow the channel. Launcher 10 works so flawlessly on every single Android device possible, and now with Nintendo Switch as another device, I got it on. And I honestly was going to see if it would work, and it actually works perfectly fine. I mean, it works just like you would any other, any time on any other device. I'm able to go ahead and scroll up, scroll down. I'm able to add widgets. So if I want to add, for example, analog clock, I can do that. Actually, I'm not sure if I can add actual widgets on here. Let me see if I can add widgets. I might. No, I can. I can add widgets. Look at that. We got a widget. Bro, this is just so fun. I'm not gonna lie. This is actually the funniest thing to me. Is the fact this actually works with the Nintendo Switch. And then analog clock, create, and now we have the analog clock. And I know this is probably not the best when it comes to quality. I do apologize for that. It's just because the whole screen ratio thing does not want to work for me. Let me do that. Let me see if I can brighten this up for you guys. So let's shoot this at... Okay, let's do that. See if I can brighten this up for you guys at all. Let's see. Let's do that. That might look a lot better. See if I can put this in a different mode. Alright, so that probably looks a lot better than before. But yeah, so I can't believe this is actually a thing. Now you might say like, oh, how did you get this to work? Long story short, you can install Android on a Switch. So that's how I got the whole thing to operate and work correctly. But I have Instagram. It's just typical Instagram, nothing different, nothing crazy there. Same old Instagram that you always know and love. And it works perfect. So if you guys want to see other launchers on the Nintendo Switch that we can review every single launcher possible. So comment down below any launcher you want me to launch. Because again, like I said, every application works perfectly fine. Amazon, and then so on and so on. So this is not what I expected. But the second I put Android on this, I'm like, I have to try my best here to get some type of, system going when it came to this. And by the way, just a side note here, with Android on the Switch, you can actually run Xbox Game Pass, and you can actually run full Xbox titles. So I can run full Xbox titles. The cool thing about this is if you run Xbox title, let's say, I don't know, for example, let's do Cloud, right? And I want to run, I don't know, Motorsports, right? I can run it on here, and then I can dock it to my Switch dock, and actually use my Switch dock. And I don't have Xbox Game Pass, so that's why it's saying that. But I can actually use this on my Switch dock and play this on my TV as if it was an actual Xbox, which is actually freaking dope. And I don't have an Xbox Game Pass, so that's why it's not letting me actually play any games right now because I don't have Xbox Game Pass. But if you have Xbox Game Pass, it's no issue at all. So again, just a quick look at Launcher 10. If you guys are new, you have your wallpapers, you have your launcher preferences. So this, of course, lets you be able to take some live wallpaper if you really wanted to. And I know I've talked about this to crazy lengths. Okay, and I don't have any camera on this, so it's going to crash it. TikTok. Can I just set the TikTok as my wallpaper? Okay, it might glitch out there because I don't have any actual. I could find wallpapers here. Yeah, I can do all that, but we're not trying to do all that right now. But yeah, I could set a wallpaper. If I have the image on my SD card, I could do that. Launcher preferences are just the same as always. I know this is really dark for you guys, but it's just the typical launcher preferences, and so on and so on. So definitely tell me down below your thoughts and opinions, guys. I don't think I ever thought I'd make a video of Launcher 10 on the Switch, but you know what? We're going to continue to put Launcher 10 on every device possible, and the Switch is just the next one up. See you guys next one. Peace.